Welcome to my class. In today's session, we are going to study kinds of sentences on the basis of their meaning or function. I have already uploaded my video on the kinds of sentences on the basis of their structure. You can see in the video list. So let's proceed. Basically, there are four kinds of sentences on the basis of meaning. अब हमने पढ़ना है कि कोई भी सेंटेंस मीनिंग कैसे कन्वे करता है, उसके हिसाब से उस सेंटेंसेस को कैसे डिवाइड किया गया है. सो बेसिकली वी हैव फोर टाइप्स: डेक्लरेटिव और असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस, सेम ही हैं, एक इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस एंड एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. Now, what are declarative or assertive sentences? They are the sentences which declare or assert a statement. For example, he is a lawyer. I live in 24 East Road. अब इन सेंटेंसेस में हमारे पास एक स्टेटमेंट दी गई है और इसके अलावा इसके अंदर एक ओपिनियन भी एक्सप्रेस की जा सकती है, और इस सेंटेंस को हम पंक्चुएट करते हैं विद द फुल स्टॉप एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस. Interrogative sentences are the kind of sentences that ask question. They usually begin with WH family, like which, when, where, how, what. And they usually end with question mark. For example, when do you get off work? So which city is your top pick? Where do you live in California? He is asking some question and they are ending with a question mark. Now, what are imperative sentences? They are sentences where some command is given or a request is asserted. For example, please open with care. Here request is commanded or request is done. But if there is a command like don't answer my phone, या don't open the door, so there will be a command. Now, अब हम इन sentences को दो तरह punctuate कर सकते हैं. They can either end with a period. Period means full stop, or an exclamatory point. वो सेंटेंसेस जिनमें एक स्ट्रॉन्ग कमांड की दी जाए वो दे विल एंड विद एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क, वाइल वो सेंटेंसेस जिनके अंदर माइल्ड और नॉर्मल बात की जाए दे विल एंड इन विद अ पीरियड और फुल स्टॉप. फॉर एग्जांपल, लुक आउट, शट अप. अब यहाँ पे देयर इज सम फोर्सफुल कमांड और वार्निंग, बट इफ आई विल से राइट डाउन अ पेज, write down on something on the page, or I will say please open the door. So here I will request or ask for something politely. Then we have affirmative and negative sentences. Imperative sentences come in two forms, either affirmative or negative. Affirmative sentences are sentences that are usually tell a positive action, or they ask the reader to take a specific action like call me, put your plate in the sink, ask teacher about last night's homework. So these sentences are the sub kind of imperative sentences. So जहाँ पे there is a mild command or a simple statement, these sentences have ended in a full stop, while sentences where there is a strong command, they have ended with an exclamatory mark. A negative imperative sentence tells the reader or listener to not to do something like don't touch the thermostat, stop making that noise. इनमें भी if you are giving a strong command, then you will use exclamatory mark. अगर तो कि कोई ऐसे कह रहा है कि stop making that noise, तो यहाँ पे तो written में तो you will use full stop. लेकिन अगर कोई कहता है stop making that noise, तो यहाँ पे you will use exclamatory mark. Now, exclamatory sentences are the kinds of sentences that express emotion or feelings, and human is an amalgamation of emotions and feelings, and there are so many kinds that they cannot be described in a simple sentence. They can range from joy, anger, frustration, excitement, grief, happiness, loss, victory, and so on. So these sentences end with an exclamatory mark. I love ice cream. Now this is showing love for ice cream. We won. This is showing victory. Now these sentences can end usually end with the exclamatory mark, but they can begin with exclamatory words like ye, nay, or any kinds of word. That was all about today's class.